Most security projects fail, not because of technology, but outdated thinking. What if one camera could replace two and cut costs instantly? Meet ACTi Q711, designed to redefine modern security. Q711 combines two 4MP lenses in one device, covering two directions from a single mount. In offices, factories, or residences, one camera replaces two, reducing cabling, licenses, and installation time. It's faster to deploy and far more cost-efficient for integrators and end users. With AI human and vehicle detection, Q711 filters out shadows, reflections, and irrelevant motion. Only real events trigger alerts, keeping security teams focused and operations efficient across all environments. 130 dB WDR ensures clear visibility in high-contrast scenes. Glass entrances, loading docks, and bright exteriors remain balanced, delivering usable evidence even under harsh lighting. With 50-meter infrared illumination, Q711 maintains reliable visibility in darkness. Perimeters, parking areas, and corridors stay protected, day or night. Q711 is fully NDAA compliant, making it ideal for government and regulated projects. No compliance risks, no future replacements, just long-term security confidence. With dual-length efficiency, AI accuracy, and strong low-light performance, Q711 delivers enterprise-level capability at 30 to 50% lower cost than Axis. Better margins, easier deployments, smarter projects. If you're designing security for commercial, industrial, or residential sites, rethink what one camera can do. ACTi Q711 delivers clarity, efficiency, and confidence right from day one.